video to show a side-by-side of how I look at BYBIT and this new platform, Aggr.Trade, that was shared by one of our members. If you look right now on the left-hand side, I'm waiting on a short. I think that maybe I can pull a quick 20 to 30% from this. And go back over here. There's been a little rise. I was trying to get my ruler up to see how much of a percentage that increase is. But if you look here at the last few bars, you start to see some weakness in the green army. But if you go over here, you can see that there's already a decline that's showing that isn't already present here because we have 40 seconds left. And it's a pretty sharp drop. So this could be your signal that this is going down faster, and you could have gotten in a little bit quicker here using this. But at the same time, if you look over here, you can see that, okay, now that that's formed, it's still an indecisive red candle. I'm looking over here to see, is it going to go back up or is it going to continue its downtrend? And it looks like it's going pretty strong down. I'll just wait 15 seconds here, let this one form. Over here you can actually see that it's starting to go down even further. 6 seconds into it before the minute's over, and already over here you can see it move from 99.65 down to 99.60 and still making a move. Second solid candle comes up, you would think that because this formed, that's your confirmation, but I'm still waiting over here to see what happens. You see a little indecisive candle right here, which could signal that either it's going to go back up or it's going to just sit at a standstill. So some people right now might see this as a signal of strength on a short and will get in. But if you look over here, you can see that there are indecisive candles still holding up, which means that this could go back in the other direction. So before I make my entry into a short, I want to make sure that this makes another sudden drop, because I want to at least really over here, I would like 2 to 3 bars indicating strength of moving in that direction, and then I'll get in. Some people may take the risk and do it now to get a little bit more of a gain. Personally, I would rather just get confirmation. Let me see how much of a potential drop this is from this point. From here to the last bottom, it's about a 30% drop. So, I mean, after fees, you might make a little 10% gain if you want to get in on this scalp, but that's totally up to you. For me, I'm going to play with a quick $10,000 contract, $100, and I want to see if I can make a quick little 25% on it. Really, for me, this is just practice. So we got into our second minute now. It's 35 seconds left. A little bit of movement, not as big as the previous one, but I still just want to wait and see this out. Still looking for 3 bars to confirm. Right here we saw the indecisive coming away from the rise. Okay, now we're starting to see some move right here. See, if that's the case right here, we've got 14 seconds. It's making a pretty decent move. Again, I'm going to stick to my strategy of having 3 bars, 3 consistent bars that show a nice lower high and a lower low. Alright, third bar came in, lower high. If I start to see some movement right here going down outside of this indecisive, I'm going to go ahead and start my sell short. Look, indecisive right here. Going back up. You would have never seen that over here on the 1 minute. And see, I think I would have gone in right here if I FOMO'd in, thinking, no, I'm going to miss out on this short. But over here, I see that, wait, there's a quick turn, so I'm not gonna pull the trigger just yet. It's all about when you pull the trigger. So I'm just going to sit here, wait patiently to see how this develops. Still 12 seconds left. If I would have bought right whenever this changed, I would have bought at 99.55 or so. Yeah, save a few bucks. You know, every dollar helps. Still waiting it out. Another minute went by. Not quite making its move yet. Yeah, this could be one of those situations where the shorts are losing their steam and it's going to pick back up a little bit. The way I looked at the charts a while ago, it looks like this one met 99.80, which was the, let's just zoom this down a little bit. The last resistance level was 99.74. It broke it a little bit, but it couldn't hold it. So my question is, these shorts came in knowing that this resistance wasn't beat, in my opinion, and started to make a move down. But the question now is, can this move down be sustained? I was waiting for 3 bars. 1, 2, 3. Not very strong. Started to lose some strength here, as you can see right here. It went back up, started to consolidate. And either it's going to reverse or it's going to continue on its downward path. A lot of volume right here. Well, not a lot, but 1.26 million. Just watching. Very low activity. Yeah, the longs are trying to make a slow climb back up, so there we go. And the 1 minute now shows a, what is this? Yeah, small little rise. So now, literally almost like 2 minutes after, it shows you a sign that the longs are coming back into play. So I like this. This is really helpful. Aggr.Trade. There we go. Boom. Pop up, pop up. 100,000, 100,000, 300,000, 150,000. Bam. See? I'm glad I didn't short that shit. Someone's trying to come in on 150 drop. Maybe trying to catch the resistance. Let's see if it breaks it. Let's see if it breaks this resistance level right here. Some decent buys coming in. Okay. 1 minute chart goes. So some choose strong bars. Some people are going to FOMO in right here, right? They want to take this to 1,000, right? I think that was our last support, which broke through. Let's see what this is. Let's go back a little bit more and see. Okay, yeah. Had a little pump here. Someone trying to get above 10,000. These guys trying to pump and get past 10,000 too. But look, you see 2 strong bars here. 15 seconds left. And over here, you already start to see some indecisiveness and a drop. So, I don't know. I hope this little analysis helps you understand the differences between what I'm looking at here and whether or not it confirms my entry or confirms my not entering on the trade. So